Final gold for the American women up for grabs, and they're expected to get it as Baker goes to work.
59 flat on Baker, right on her time, so she did her job.
And Lilly King, who wants her second gold here in Rio, is next in the breaststroke for the United States. In the pool is Dana Vollmer, who took bronze in the discipline on night 2.
How about an Olympic veteran really taking command? Remember, you've got the Olympic gold medalist coming up for the United States.
Simone Manuel. Manuel too tough. Give her a lead, and there's no way she's going to give it up.
She says, I've got a little lead. I'm not going to let you down, USA.
The Americans have gold again.